Hi friends, every website or every application or even web-based softwares needs a server for hosting its application to run on the web. Accordingly, hosting service is a very popular and very necessary business on the web. So you might have been using a server for your website and you are also taking such services from any hosting providers. How hosting provider works? They buy a dedicated server or reseller server. They create hosting accounts on the server and further resell those accounts to get income to set up a business, and this becomes a hosting service provider business. At DECN on this channel, we are exploring on the ideas and the solution through which we can start our digital business that can be a permanent and a good source of income forever. In this video, we are going to explore a solution through which you can set up your hosting service provider business, and that too without having any technical knowledge, without investing a very big amount. Yes, in very less amount, you are going to start this server. First of all, So first of all, you need to have a front-end website that I am showing you. This is the front-end website that is going to be yours, and you don't need to develop this website. It is ready to use. You are going to own this website. You are going to white label this website for your own uses, and further you are going to manage the server through a backend account, and you are going to start selling the hosting packages online, and in this manner it is going to be a complete setup of your business. Yes, you don't need any technical knowledge, specific technical knowledge. Of course, you need to configure the accounts and of course, if there is a problem in the server that you are providing to the clients, the hosting providers from which you are taking the hosting, they are going to resolve the issue. So you still don't need any specific server related knowledge. Yes, if just in case if you are setting up your own server and like server relocation, you need to have server administration type knowledge or something like that. Okay, so let us start and how we can set up this business. And if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe this channel and you can explore other videos as well, for which you can start a digital business. You can select a digital business, suitable business for you, and you can start SaaS based applications, that is software as a service, and that is going to be a good source of income for you. So this is the website, and as I said, you can create pricing. The website is basically very simple, and it is one page website in fact, and the users are going to log in at this account, and further they can add new orders, server accounts and dashboards. So everything I'm going to show you how the system is going to work into it, and be with me until the end of this video. Even you are not going to start this business, explore this, and as I said, you can explore other solutions as well. It is a very good idea to start a digital business. It is very handsome idea to earn money online. So first of all, let us start with this admin dashboard, and it is going to be yours. You are going to be super admin of this complete business, and you are going to manage this business, and you don't need to learn much about this. But yes, you have to explore all the possibilities, how you are going to run the solution. Like you are selling the hosting accounts and you are selling the domains. So if we talk about what we are providing at the website, at this website we are selling the web hosting accounts and the domain registration. These are two basic services, and here is the pricing about the services, how you can configure the price. You can definitely add or remove services that you want to provide in the package plan. And here is the domain name search, as we generally do in the other domain service provider, and it works properly, and it is a full featured website for the services. It is rendered, and it is going to a very good interface for your website users. I mean, for your prospective clients. Now, if we are here at backend, you just need to configure the basic things. Like this is the dashboard which is showing the what is going inside the system in a very quick view. Further, server accounts can help you in creating new server accounts. Like you can add new servers here, and you can add the packages and server accounts, of course, and you can further edit the server accounts like microplan and all. Further, you can check all the orders that you have received for the processing, like from whom you are getting the orders, invoice options, and the email invoice options, and the activate, and you can even add new orders if you are taking direct orders from the users, and you can even add new clients directly here. So interface is very simple and easy to use. You just need to explore once and you can start working. Further, domain list is here, so you can sell the domain, and of course you need to integrate the APIs. I'm going to show you how you are going to do this. And the sale invoice and payments user can be seen here. Further, support tickets and multi settings like module settings, tax settings, and the financial overview is also here. So overview, invoices, payment, and you can even run the affiliate programs. If we talk about the categories, what we are going to add here, like if we are providing the web hosting services, domain and hosting and all, so you can add new category and required to you. Then in the plan package, you are going to set the new servers plans like micro plans. Further, you can edit the plan details as it is visible on the front end of the website as well. And you can enable the toggle, use this toggle button or enable the additional services, additional features, and you can add new item as well. Which is again going to simple. Extra services you can handle from here. As I said, you can add new item for extra services and the setup fee and name, features, and the tax rate and all. Similarly, you can add a new add-on package services. This is the interface for adding new add-on packages. And the promo coupon code, just in case if you want to run the promotion. Finally, you might be thinking how you are going to configure the server for selling it. So these are the server interface. You can add new servers here. You can keep the server name, the control panel that is available with the server, the default server. You can enable the toggle if it is a default server. I mean, all the new accounts is going to make on this server. The huge SSL services, host name and the port and the API and the username that you'll get from the service provider of hosting. You can create custom new name servers and you can add new servers as you receive from the service provider. As I said, you can have the reseller account or dedicated account depending upon your budget and how you are going to invest on the servers. Further, you have domain settings. So domain price settings can be done here, and you can edit the existing ones, and the domain registrars you can set, and the domain price can be set here. Like if you are selling the .com, .in domain, so you can set everything here, and you can of course add new items. For domain registrars, this is the screen where you can connect the API of domain registrars. So it is here. Currently it is for name silo, and you can go for settings and all. So the domain registrars can be done from here. If we are talking about the user accounts, so I'll show you the user accounts. I mean the users who are going to take these services. So now I'm logged in as user. I suppose I'm buying this service from you, and I can see all the things in the similar manner, but it is for user perspectives. So the user can create new orders for servers, and user can select the plan, like this is micro plan and all these things. I must show you. So payment gateways can be integrated through the admin account. So that is available in the admin account. I'll show you maybe. So new users can be here, and domain list can be seen if there is any domain registered by the users. And of course, these are the user account details. Payment had been made by the user to the admin, and server accounts can be seen here directly. As we see in the hosting service provider account. So invoices are here, support tickets can be created or read, like this is create ticket facility for users like support and dispute, DMC, whatever. And department can be selected and further ticket can be raised for taking support and all. Affiliate, as I said, if user is an affiliate, so he or she can activate the affiliate account. Further, a chat option is here. So crisp chat works here fine for affiliate services. User profile can be maintained here, and the activity feed and the credit balance for user. So all very simple, since it is a user based and the admin based service, and it can be easily handled without any trouble. Once you set up this service, you just need to provide the accounts and start earning online. It is going to be super simple. Now I am taking you again in the backend that I missed during the admin screen setup. So multi-setting is the basic setting that you are going to run at the very first time when you are onboarding at. So here is the thing where you are going to whitelist the solution. You can keep your own company name or website name or basic details, and all the details can be seen here. Further, the system settings, you can go through this tab to again and the backup database, and all these features have been given on the screen. Domain registration, so you can add the domain registration like default billing, and the technical name servers details can be placed here. Domain checker, again you need to configure the API from which you are going to provide the services, like name Sido I already shown you. Currency setting option is here, so you can run the system in multiple currencies. Similarly, email setting is here, so that you may configure the SMTP and PHP mail system through which the system is going to communicate through the clients. Invoice settings, again you can place the details. You can keep your own details on the invoice, whatever you want to show. And further, email templates are here. You can edit the existing templates, what you want to send as automated mail. Invoicing emails, ticketing emails, email signature, and the service suspended, and whatever. These are the short codes that you can use directly or email setups. Theme setting is the thing that you can use for customizing the website, front-end website. For the departments for support, like these are the support department. Menu setting is again for how you want to show the menu to the users and through you as well. Custom fields, you can add the content and the translations just in case you are willing to run the system in multiple languages. So you can add a new language, and the cron setting. So these are the basic settings that you need to do, that is very important for the first time. Similarly, you can go for modules, what modules you want to run, like cyber panel, direct admin panel, cPanel. So you can enable the services, and further you can run the settings, like cPanel settings can be done here, and you can put the details and deactivate with like things are here. And affiliates and like multi-setting tax settings, so what is the existing tax rates and the user settings. So these are the settings that you need to run at the very first instance when you are going to start using or onboarding on the system, so that you can whitelist the solution and you can start your business in your name, in fact. So how this is possible without all any technical knowledge? This is of course a script based program, and you can have this script simply, and you can buy the script through the video description link here. So as always, all great scripts are available at codecanyon.net. You have to follow video description link, and all the details has been given of this script, and even you can export the solution at your own. Here are the credentials given on the link, and you can buy the solution at just $69. So why you need to follow the description link for buying the solution? Because we are going to set up all these things for you, and you don't need to do anything. You are going to use the system directly. We are going to set it up at your domain, at your hosting, at your account. So everything is going to be yours, and further you can edit and change the credentials so that you can make it safe for you and you can start your business. So nothing is required, nothing technical knowledge, no technical knowledge is required. You just need to spend some bucks, like this is the solution cost, and further you need to buy the hosting and all. So it is totally configurable, and it is totally a white label solution. And the best thing is that the system and the solution is also available in form of demo app, so you can check the app as well. You have username and password here on the screen, so you can check the app at your own, download the app, just check how it is going to run. And InHostBilling this is an WHMCS alternative, so it is going to be cheaper solution than the WHMCS, and I'm sure you are going to enjoy this business. And if not, don't worry, you have multiple business options as digital business on this channel. Just subscribe the channels, explore the existing videos, existing solution, and I'm coming with more in the next videos. All is good for you. Start your business. Think about a digital business. It is a very good solution for earning on the web. Keep building, keep watching. Thank you.